Welcome to my staircase. Walking up the stairs is great. These are just regular treads, kind of slippery when you're walking in socks. But this has also become a problem for the dogs. And the dogs with their pads is fine, and then sometimes when their hair gets a little bit longer underneath their pad, it becomes very slippery. So I wanted to show you what I can do to make these non-skid. So I went onto Amazon and I was looking up stair treads and got some stair treads. I have to tell you honestly, I would prefer a different color, but we had a beige and the beige was a little bit too light. So what we ended up with is something with a little bit of a design. And these are 30 inches by, I'm gonna have to check the size for you. But anyway, this is the design. This is gonna help the dogs when they're going up and down the stairs. It's also gonna help us humans too. The very first thing that you have to do is clean your treads. So I just have a wet washcloth and I'm gonna go wipe down the stairs. Now that you got to watch me wash my stairs, I do have a dry paper towel, and when I go to fix the sticky part of the treads onto the treads, then if it's still wet, then I'll be able to dry it off. We're going to go ahead and start with one here that you can see really close, and we'll start with this. We'll start with this one right here, and then I'll go up the stairs and do the rest. So just drying it off, just making sure it stays completely dry if there's any other residue. Now, looky here, which I thought was really cool. This right here has got an open sticker. So this, we'll be able to take this plastic off, and this right here is all sticky to be able to stick to the stairs. Okay? What we're gonna do is centered as possible. Just throw that on the ground. And maybe it was this one I did. Yes. And I would normally start going up the stairs, and we got this as centered as possible. Each one will be the same, and then you just press it down. And then now when the dogs are walking, oh look, when the dogs are walking, it's stuck enough that it's not going to slip out. But as I just found, I can pull this up fairly easy, but you can hear it sticking to it. All right, let's go do the other stairs. For eyeballing it, I think I did pretty good. The treads come 15 to a pack. We have 17 steps, including this top step. So my bottom step there will not get a tread. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to do that. You cannot order them singly, but I am contemplating writing the company and asking them if we can purchase a single one. I do not have a landing. So this step right here is just going to have to be without. But I think it turned out pretty nice. As I'm trying to affix the treads to, or that I missed when it came down. And we'll go ahead and affix these. Okay. Cracking